Hi everyone, this is Ashwin. In this video we are going to solve the problem sequence equation. Given a sequence of n integers p of 1, p of 2 up to p of n, where each element is distinct and satisfies in the range 1 to n. For each x, where x in the range of 1 to n, find any integer y such that p of y, that is equivalent to x, and print the value of y on a new line. Let's see an example. This is the sequence p 5, 2, 1, 3, 4. Each value of x between 1 and 5. The length of the sequence is analyzed as follows. Here the array is starting from index 1, not 0. Remember that. Now the condition we have to satisfy is p of y, that is equivalent to x. X will be starting from 1 to 5. For x equivalent to 1, we need to find the index of 1 in p. The index of 1 is 3. Again, we have to find the index of 3. The index of 3 is 4. Why we need to take the index 2 times? Because the function is called twice. Here we have p of y. From this we will have some result, and again pass the result to the p of y. Let's see another example to understand it. Here the sample input is 3. X will be 1. For 1, we need to find the index of 1. The index is 3. Again, we need to find the index of 3. The index is 2. The result is 2. Like that, we need to do this operation to the end of the list. Let's solve the problem. First, we will initialize the result. And we need to find the length of the list. N equals length of p. After that, use a loop for I in range. The range is from 1 to n plus 1. Here the array is starting from 1, so we will start from 1 till the end of the list. Now we do the operation. Result dot append p dot index plus 1. Again p dot index of I plus 1. Here the index is starting from 0. To convert that, we are just adding plus 1. After passing it 2 times, add it to the result. Now return the result. Let's run the code. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. Yeah, we solved the problem. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.